You already know what you need to do. You have known for a long time. Wake up earlier, work more constantly. Stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting for a right moment. Stop telling yourself that tomorrow you will be more disciplined than you are today. Because tomorrow you will say the same thing. Discipline is not a feeling, it is a decision made every single day, whether you feel like it or not. This is the story of two creatures who lived in the same field, had the same time, had the same opportunities. Only one of them understood this. In a wide green field at the edge of a forest lived a small ant named Sam. Sam was not special, not the biggest ant, not the fastest, not the strongest, just a small simple ant who had one rule he never broke. Work every day, without exception, without excuses. Every morning, Sam was up before the sun. He carried food back to his nest, small pieces, one at a time. He did not carry large dramatic loads. He did not work in impressive bursts that everyone could see. He just carried one small piece of food every morning, then another, then another. Day after day, week after week, all through the warm months of summer. Nobody watched the Sam work. Nobody praised him. Nobody said, "Well done, Sam." Leo, the grasshopper, lived in the same field, and Leo was everything Sam was not. Bright, fast, talented, full of energy and charm. When Leo jumped, the whole field noticed. When Leo sang, the whole field listened. He was the kind of creature that made everything look easy. Because for Leo, everything was easy. Leo watched Sam every morning. He watched the small ant carrying his small piece of food in his small, quiet way. And Leo laughed. Not cruelly, just with the easy confidence of someone who has never needed to try very hard. "Sam," Leo said one morning, "it is summer. The field is full of food. The sun is warm. Why you are working so hard right now?" Sam did not stop working. "Because winter is coming," Sam said simply. Leo looked at the wide, warm, sunny field around him. He laughed again. "Winter is months away, Sam. Come and enjoy the summer. There is food everywhere. There is time for everything." Sam said nothing. He picked up another small piece of food and carried it home. After 2 months, summer passed. Leo sang through all of it. He ate well every day because food was everywhere. He rested in the warm grass. He jumped and flew and enjoyed every warm hours of season gave him. He was happy. He was free. He never once thought about winter. Sam worked through all of it. Every morning, every day, one small piece at a time, building something nobody could see yet, storing something nobody was looking at, preparing for something nobody else was thinking about. Then the cold came, slowly at first, then all at once. The green field turned brown, the warm grass became hard and grey. The food that had been everywhere disappeared. Leo looked around the empty field. He was not worried at first. Surely something would come. Surely the field would provide again. It always had before. But the field gave nothing. The cold gave nothing. The days passed and Leo grew weaker. He looked across the field at Sam's nest. Warm, full, everything carefully stored through every morning of every summer day. Leo tried to find food. There was none. He tried to stay warm. He could not. One cold grey morning, Leo did not wake up and he died. The field was silent. Sam worked through the winter on everything he had built through the summer. He was warm, he was fed, he was ready. Not because he was more talented than Leo, not because he was faster, not because he was stronger and more gifted, simply because he had understood one thing that Leo never did. Discipline is not what you do when you feel motivated. It is what you do when you don't want to do. My name is Rizwan, and the lesson I want you to take from this story is this. Leo was more talented than Sam in every single way. But talent without discipline is just potential that never became anything real. You do not need to be most gifted person in the room. You just need to be the most consistent one.